I am back with another video. Girl, I look cute today. He was about to bust his ass. I look cute today, y'all. I'm all white. I look like, what I look like? A chocolate milkshake? I look like a chocolate covered strawberry. I do look like. Baby's taking me to Red Lobster. I want some chub biscuits. But we were actually going to the mall to get an appreciation gift for Mom, and he just decided to take me to Red Lobster. Yeah, girl. I wish I could show you how I look in the mirror. I look good, but we're gonna record. Say hey, babe. All right, come on, let's go. Come on, man.
Crip.
Don't say that.
On Gito, right?
Boy.
That Birdman beat on Gito, right?
So babe decided to take me to Red Lobster.
I said you can have whatever you like. Yeah, you want some crawfish pasta so nice. Melt down your throat, then you gotta eat it twice. Yeah.
I feel special.
You taste it, you ain't gonna need it. This ain't Popeye biscuits, baby. They red off.
This how it tasted when I made it at home. It just was a little burn at the bottom. We really picked the same thing to eat. And I thought it was gonna be catfish. They do expensive fish. That's what the plate's gonna be.
Can't get your food with me.
I want some biscuits that go. I really can't wait to see her reaction. She don't watch me on YouTube, so I really want to see her reaction. Because that's so cute. Then he doing it on the best day ever. I ain't gonna lie, I would want to get married on Valentine's Day.
Married? Those two.
Yeah, every I can get proposed to any day of the week. No, I ain't gonna lie. I've been seeing people get, that sounds like a follower.
Yeah.
People been getting proposed to on their birthday and Christmas. Them two, I cry. Cry. But getting married on Valentine's Day because red, red is not a bad color. I could do red and white and gold. But if we do another day, I would do like the blue and the red. My wedding will be fire. I mean, I'll win. Oh my God, it's so good. I want to take some home. Good, babe. Drag racing. You still ain't edit my pictures. Okay, so Mom just called, but I had to play it off like we're not out, but we really are. She just was calling us to use something. I mean, she needed something from Walmart, and she said she wants Babe to cook her a steak. But I think Babe gonna buy a steak out of here. But what I was gonna say, We're actually going to get her a gift out of the mall. We're right next door to the mall, so we're gonna go in the mall. We actually got the shoes like I got on right now, and we got her the black because I have the black already, and she said she liked the black ones I had on. So we went and got her some of those. We got her this necklace. I'm a Leo, she's a Virgo, and the children are Virgo. They're like 2 days after her, but we got her that. And did you get it? That was earrings for you or for her? That was earrings for you or for her? Oh, and I'm gonna go in the mall and see what else I can look at that she might like. It's just an appreciation gift for all she does for us. Like even right now, we told her we was gonna get an oil change, and we've been gone for about an hour or an hour. We've been gone an hour. How big? We've been gone an hour.
So, how did you enjoy yourself? Somebody that never been to Real Lobster before.
I give it 7.
7.
Because there's not a lot of food. I mean, it's a good experience to try different foods. I'm gonna give it a 8. I like cheese to perfection.
Jesus.
I'm gonna give it an 8 because the drink was good, the food was good, everything was really good. It's just, it's more lobster.
Okay.
I got a bag? What a bag for? That's a badass bag. That's your bag? That's your bag. Oh, this is beautiful.
I was hoping she liked it when I picked. I said,
I don't have no black bags.
Yeah, I told you so. I got no black bags.
Oh, they got the snake skin. Oh, they got some stuff in there. Put the food. Y'all trying to put me on YouTube. Oh, this is so nice. This is beautiful.
I was hoping she liked it.
Oh, where you got the earrings from?
Well, don't worry about where I got it from.
Oh, Lord, what is this here?
That's
What is
hand
it?
sanitizer.
Oh, hand
That's
sanitizer.
what I got. Think about stuff like that.
Oh, listen. You got me two?
Yeah.
Oh, this is a little necklace, Virgo, huh?
Yeah.
Oh man, what's
smell
this?
the candle.
Oh, this. I've been needing.
That's the candle I've been telling you I wanted. I got me and you one.
Smells like a dessert.
It's pound cake, strawberry pound cake.
Oh, this almost like I need a date to be having this. Oh, Lord, lift it up, boy. Put your dong on, boy. Oh, but this is a beautiful bag. Oh, my goodness. I haven't had a black bag in a long time. And where you got this one from? What's the name of it? Yeah. Well, I know they're going to work. I ain't worried about that. But I told her they look real expensive, but they're nice. And I don't have no black tennis shoes. I used to always wear black, but I could never find no good Nike. That's nice. The candle, you got to...